What if your own two hands could help you achieve a stronger, fuller erection without a single pill? I'm Dr. Amelia Hayes, and today we're exploring something ancient, simple, and right under your fingertips: acupressure. As men age, especially after 50, blood flow becomes crucial not just for your heart, but for confidence and stamina. When circulation slows, stress builds, and your body tightens, performance can take a hit. But what if you could address this in minutes a day with no devices, no embarrassment, and no side effects, just touch? Acupressure is an ancient method used for centuries to restore energy, improve circulation, and unlock blood flow where it matters most.
This isn't magic, it's biology, stimulating key pressure points that trigger muscle relaxation, better nerve communication, and stronger erections.
Modern medical research supports this, showing that applying firm pressure to these points releases endorphins, nature's stress relievers. This calms your nervous system, loosens tight muscles around your pelvis and abdomen, allowing blood vessels to open up. Tension kills circulation, but relaxation restores it, enabling blood to move freely for better performance. Today, I'll show you 3 urologist-approved pressure points you can massage for instant improvement in blood flow and male vitality. These points are completely safe, can be done anywhere, and when activated, the results can feel almost immediate. I'll walk you through each point, where it is, why it works, and exactly how to massage it for best results. The third one is a real game changer, a powerful point for male performance and energy that most men don't even know exists. If you've been feeling sluggish, anxious, or frustrated, don't go anywhere. You'll learn to take that control naturally. Let's start by understanding why this simple technique works and how your body responds to touch. An erection isn't magic. It's a hydraulic event, pure blood flow, requiring arteries to open and veins to tighten. As we age, stress, anxiety, and poor posture interfere, narrowing blood vessels and tightening pelvic muscles. Your body becomes like a garden hose with a kink where blood can't flow freely. This kink is often driven by cortisol, the stress hormone that directs blood away from non-essential systems, including reproductive organs. Acupressure is applied science, using gentle pressure to reset the body's own circuits, activating nerves and stimulating blood vessels. It sends signals to the brain, reducing stress hormones like cortisol, while releasing endorphins to relax muscles and boost mood. Studies show acupressure improves peripheral circulation, getting blood moving, especially in the lower body, for stronger erections. It helps the body produce more nitric oxide, the key molecule that tells your penile arteries to open wide. Performance is deeply connected to the mind. When your body feels tense, your brain senses danger, hindering arousal. By applying pressure to the right spots, you're telling your body, relax, you're safe, let the blood flow. It's a built-in reset button. Stimulating these points daily doesn't just offer temporary relief. It trains your vascular system to respond better over time. Think of it as a daily warm-up for your circulation. The more you do it, the stronger and more responsive your blood vessels become. This practice can help whether you're dealing with mild challenges, low energy, or simply want to boost vitality. It's about enhancing what your body already knows how to do, not replacing your doctor or medication. Now that you understand the why, let's get practical and dive into the first point, the sea of energy. It's easy to find, powerful, and can instantly change how your lower body feels. All right, let's start with the first point, one that I recommend to nearly every man who walks into my office. It's called the Sea of Energy, or in traditional Chinese medicine, CV6. And yes, the name says it all. This point is like your body's power hub. It fuels your core, your stamina, and your circulation. So here's how to find it. Sit or stand comfortably. Place your index finger right on your belly button. Now, without moving that finger, place your middle, ring, and pinky fingers below it. The point you're looking for is right under your pinky finger, just above your pubic bone, right along the center line of your body. If you press gently, you might feel a soft spot, a tiny dip, or maybe a dull, heavy feeling. That's it. You found the sea of energy. Now, why is this little spot so powerful? In traditional medicine, It's considered the center of male vitality, the connection between your abdomen and your reproductive organs. It's where your fundamental life energy gathers. From a modern urology perspective, it makes perfect sense. Right beneath that point are deep pelvic muscles and blood vessels that supply your lower abdomen, the very same network responsible for sending blood to the penis. When those muscles get tight from stress, poor posture, or sitting all day, blood flow slows down. By massaging this point, you help those muscles relax, allowing circulation to flow more freely to the entire area. It's like opening up a valve. Suddenly, the lower body wakes up. Warmth spreads. You can literally feel the tension melt away. Here's how to do it the right way. Use your thumb or 2 fingers. Press firmly, not hard enough to hurt, but enough to feel a deep, dull pressure. That good soreness is what you're aiming for. Hold the pressure for about 10 seconds, then release slowly. Repeat this 3 or 4 times. If you prefer, you can massage in small, slow circles instead of holding static pressure. And here's a critical tip. You must breathe deeply as you do it. This is non-negotiable. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts. Hold for 1. Exhale slowly for 6 counts. This breathing rhythm activates your parasympathetic system, your body's natural relaxation response, which drastically amplifies the blood flow effect. You'll notice something interesting after about 30 seconds. Your abdomen feels lighter. Your mind feels calmer. And sometimes, you'll even feel a faint pulse under your fingertips. That's circulation returning. That's the feeling of your body reconnecting. I usually tell my patients, do this twice a day, once in the morning when you wake up and once before bed. It only takes a minute, but the benefits add up fast. Think of it as a reset button for your lower body. It improves blood flow, gently engages the pelvic floor, and can even help digestion and lower back tension. And yes, over time, it can make a noticeable difference in erectile firmness and response. If you combine this massage with gentle abdominal breathing for 5 minutes daily, you're essentially training your body to send more oxygen and blood to your core. And that's the absolute foundation of male vitality. All right, you've just activated your sea of energy. Now let's move down to a point on your leg that connects 3 vital systems responsible for hormone balance, stamina, and sexual health. It's called the 3-ene intersection, and it's the one I recommend before sleep because it deeply relaxes both body and mind. Let's go there next. Now that you've opened up the sea of energy, let's move to the legs, because the second point we're about to explore is like a power switch for circulation throughout your lower body. It's called the 3-ene intersection, or SP6. And this one is where 3 of the body's most important energy lines meet: the spleen, the liver, and the kidney meridians. In plain English, it's the intersection that connects hormones, blood flow, and endurance, 3 absolute pillars of male vitality. Here's how you find it. Sit down and cross one leg over the other so you can reach your inner ankle easily.
Now, place 4 fingers, your index, middle, ring, and pinky just above that bone.
The point you're looking for is right behind the shin bone at the level of your top finger.
If you press gently, you'll feel a slightly tender, soft spot, often tucked right against the bone. That's it, the 3-ene intersection. Now, why is this point so powerful for men? Because all 3 meridians that meet here play critical roles in your body's performance. The liver governs blood flow and emotional balance, helping you de-stress. The kidneys control hormone production, stamina, and reproductive energy. This is your deep, long-term vitality. And the spleen manages nutrient absorption and metabolism, giving you usable energy. When this point is stimulated, it helps regulate hormonal activity, improve pelvic circulation, and relieve tension that can interfere with erections. From a Western medical standpoint, pressing on SP6 stimulates deep nerve pathways that control blood vessel dilation in the legs and pelvis. That means better flow where you need it most. It's often used by physical therapists to ease leg fatigue and pelvic congestion, exactly the kind of restriction that can limit sexual performance. Here's how to do it. Use your thumb to apply firm but comfortable pressure. You should feel a mild, deep ache, not pain, just that familiar, good soreness, letting you know you've hit the spot. Hold for about 30 to 45 seconds, then release slowly. Repeat this on both legs. As you hold the pressure, take those slow, deep breaths again. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts, hold for 1, and exhale through your mouth for 6. That long exhale tells your nervous system relax. You're safe, and that's the signal for blood flow to open up. Some men tell me they start feeling a warm sensation moving up their legs and into their core. That's a great sign. It means you're stimulating circulation through your lower body and into the pelvic region. I like to recommend this massage once or twice a day, ideally at night before bed. It calms the mind, relaxes the body, and prepares your system for deep rest and recovery. And if you practice it regularly, it's an excellent way to reduce daily tension and improve natural responsiveness in the bedroom. Remember,
so if you
the
run
key
your
is
finger down,
consistency.
it'll fall
These
into the
aren't
point.
quick tricks.
And
They're
what you want
small
to do,
habits that compound over time. And here's a little insight from my patients. Some of them started doing this right before intimacy and noticed that it helped them relax, reduced performance anxiety, and made arousal feel much more natural. Because again, when the body is truly relaxed, blood flow follows immediately. All right, you've now learned 2 of the most important acupressure points for male vitality, the C of energy and the 3 in intersection. But the final one, the one we're about to cover next, is the most overlooked and yet the most powerful. It's located on your lower back, and when stimulated, it can unlock deep-seated tension that silently kills performance. Most men have never even heard of it, but once you try it, you'll understand why I call it the C of vitality. Let's go there now. All right, gentlemen, we've covered 2 powerful points so far, one that activates your core and one that opens pathways through your legs and pelvis. But this last one, the C of vitality, might just be the most important of them all. It's key to restoring deep energy, nerve flow, and blood circulation from your spine to your lower body. It's where strength, stability, and stamina all meet. It's linked to your kidneys, believed to be the batteries of your life force, the source of vitality, hormonal balance, and endurance. Even in modern urology, this area makes perfect sense. Beneath that spot lies a network of nerves and blood vessels controlling the lower back, pelvic floor, and sexual organs. When these muscles are tight, blood flow gets restricted and nerve signals weaken. That tension can silently choke your performance without you even realizing it. So where's this crucial point? Stand up or sit straight with your back supported. Place your thumbs on your lower back, just above your hips. Slide them upward to your belly button level, then move them 2 finger widths away from your spine, 1 point on each side. That's your C of vitality. You should feel soft tissue, not sharp bone, and sometimes a slight soreness or deep pressure. That means you've hit the sweet spot. Now, to stimulate it properly, you've got 2 great options. If standing, use your thumbs or knuckles to apply steady, deep pressure on both sides simultaneously. Hold for 60 seconds, breathing deeply. For a real game changer, place a tennis ball between your lower back and a wall, then slowly lean into it, moving gently up and down. You'll know when you've hit the right spot. It'll feel like tension is melting right out of your spine and into your hips. As you press, keep your breathing slow and controlled. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale fully through your mouth. With each breath, imagine tension leaving your back and energy flowing freely down to your pelvis. Here's why this point is so vital. Your lower back muscles, especially around BL23, act like a gate for blood flow and nerve communication to your pelvic organs. When they're tight or inflamed, that gate closes, reducing everything downstream. But when you relax and open them, everything downstream, your hips, groin, and genitals, receives better circulation and stronger signals. You'll often notice an immediate sense of warmth or a gentle tingling across your lower body. That's your body finally releasing trapped energy. I tell my patients to massage this point once a day, especially after long hours of sitting, driving, or working at a desk. It's also one of the best things you can do after exercise to loosen up the back and keep your pelvic region healthy. And here's the real secret. When you combine this lower back point with the other 2, the sea of energy below your navel, and the 3-ene intersection on your legs, you're not just helping blood flow. You're retraining your nervous system to coordinate relaxation and arousal naturally. Your body becomes more responsive, balanced, and confident. It's a natural system reboot. No pills, no machines, no side effects. Just your own hands, your own breath, and a little consistency. All right, you've now unlocked all 3 major pressure points I recommend to men who want to boost their circulation, confidence, and vitality naturally. But the real power isn't in knowing them, it's in using them. In a moment, I'll show you how to combine them into a short daily routine, a simple 5-minute practice that can completely change how your body feels and performs. And I'll also tell you the one thing you must never forget if you want these results to last. Let's bring it all together. You've just learned 3 powerful, doctor-approved acupressure points for men's health and performance. These include the sea of energy below your belly button, the 3-ene intersection near your inner ankle, and the sea of vitality across your lower back. Combining these 3 boosts blood flow and creates a daily ritual that trains your body and mind. This ritual helps you relax, recover, and perform when it matters most, offering a comprehensive approach to well-being. Here's exactly how to integrate this into your life. It takes less time than brewing your morning coffee. Step 1. The morning way up, focusing on the CV6 point. Start your day with the sea of energy. Before you even get out of bed, sit up, place your hand below your navel, and gently press or massage that spot for 1 full minute. Breathe slowly. This wakes up your core and sets your circulation in motion for the day. Step 2. The evening regulator, utilizing the SP6 point. In the evening, after a shower or before sleep, move to the 3-ene intersection on your inner ankle. Apply firm pressure with your thumb for 30 to 45 seconds on each leg. This calms your entire nervous system, releases daily tension, and prepares your body for deep, restorative sleep. Step 3. The desk declencher, targeting the BL23 point. Once a day, especially after long hours of sitting or driving, stimulate your sea of vitality on your lower back. Use your thumbs, or that tennis ball against a wall, and hold steady pressure for 60 seconds on each side. This is your immediate defense against the deep spinal tension that silently kills your vitality. Altogether, this takes less than 5 minutes a day. No pills, no devices, no side effects. Just your hands, your breath, and a little consistency. Now, here's the most important disclaimer, and I need you to listen closely. These powerful, natural techniques are not a replacement for medical care. If you have ongoing issues with performance, that's your body signaling deeper trouble. It can be an early warning sign of something serious, like diabetes, heart disease, or significant circulation problems. So, always talk to your doctor. These pressure points are tools. They are powerful enhancers. They work best when combined with foundational habits, quality movement, good hydration, and sufficient sleep. But here's the most important takeaway. They give you back control. They remind you that your body still knows exactly how to perform. It just needs the tension released, the pathways opened, and the blood flow restored. I've seen men who felt completely hopeless regain not just physical function, but their entire sense of presence and self-confidence. When circulation starts flowing again, life starts flowing again. So, take this challenge. Try this simple routine starting today. Take 5 minutes. Massage these 3 points. Breathe deeply. And feel the warmth spreading through your core. Now, I want to hear from you. Your feedback is critical. In the comments below, share your experience. Which of these 3 points did you try first? Did you feel a difference right away or after a few days? If you have other questions about men's vitality or urology, ask them. I read all your comments and will answer common questions in future videos. Hit that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more urologist-approved health tips for men. Because next time, I'll show you a simple breathing trick that pairs perfectly with these massages, one that can truly supercharge your stamina and focus in under 2 minutes. I'm Dr. Amelia Hayes, and remember, your body isn't broken. It's waiting for you to reconnect with it. Take control, start small, and let your own hands bring the energy back. You'll be surprised how quickly it works.